Being able to put storage on the grid is absolutely essential for future green energy and also absolutely essential for smart grid application.
NEC energy storage actually allows much deeper penetration of renewable energy onto the grid.
I think it's going to be a very powerful tool to allow the users of electricity to control how they use electricity, how they get charged for electricity, and how they themselves can help create a more reliable and stable grid. Everybody thinks that what we do is we sell energy storage hardware and equipment, but really what we're selling is grid reliability. To make today's grid more flexible and accommodate ever-increasing amounts of renewable generation, of changing load patterns, distributed resources, distributed generation, and energy storage is one of the most powerful tools to increase the security and stability of the grid.
For the NEC systems that are in larger containers, the packaging looks exactly like standard shipping containers. The basic design of the NEC system is a control rack and a battery rack and a small inverter. And we can put in as many battery racks as the customer needs and as large an inverter as necessary. The nice thing about the NEC system is because all the solutions are containerized, it's easy to install it, connect it as necessary, and then as soon as the customer needs to, pick it up, move it to a new location, and connect it there. NEC is actually fairly unique in the sense that we build all of our own equipment, we build the final product, we ship and install it, we integrate it and commission it, and then maintain it afterwards. We're one-stop shopping.
So we're trying to be a lot more agnostic about the technology that we integrate, and we know that there's lots of different types of energy storage, and each one has its strengths and weaknesses. And so as a system integrator, we're very focused on providing the best solution to solve the problem. So we have to choose the right tool for the job.
The nice thing about the NEC system is because all the solutions are containerized, it's easy to install it, connect it as necessary.
Battery systems are a new technology, and this is the first project of its kind in the UK. Northern Power Grid selected these 6 sites because taken together as a whole, they represent about 80% of all of the UK's electrical grid. Each site presented its own problems, mostly with physical constraints, because we were trying to get the batteries located directly next to the loads into the small neighborhood.
The primary reason for having 6 different batteries at various scales, some being large, some being medium and some being small, is that we can fit them across the entire range of our distribution network.
In Hawaii, one of the concerns was, of course, the environmental sensitivity of the area. So we needed to just be sure that all of our installation processes and all the equipment that we were using to install the equipment was suitable to the environment.
We've been working on this project with NEC, and it has been a great partnership. Clean wind energy combined with battery storage is a better solution for the environment and for the people, for the community.
I think the discussion about energy storage for the grid really has changed over just the past few years, from why do I need grid energy storage to how would I go about buying it. And so that change has been evidenced by some of the massive procurements that are going in California and other parts of North America, and a lot of the other projects that are being tied to renewable projects all around the world. You don't need to be a grid operator to take advantage of the solutions we provide. Now we're shifting our focus to behind-the-meter opportunities to serve the users of electricity, much like we've been helping the utility side of the meter. NEC's been around for well over 100 years now and has made lots of different accomplishments in the industries it participates in, and smart energy is going to be one of these areas where they will make lasting contributions.
You're probably never going to notice that the fact that batteries have been connected in your neighborhood or in your factory or in your basement, they're just going to be part of the network the same way that the copper wires are part of the network.